Namaste बच्चों, हमेशा खुश हो. Myself, JB Dr. Monica Trivedi, and today I am going to teach you about Walsh diagram. So, in previous lecture we have learned about the Vesper theory, and Vesper theory is playing a major role to identify the geometry of the molecules, but it has failed to identify the uh, triatomic molecule and diatomic molecules geometry. So that's why the Walsh proposed the Walsh theory to identify the geometry of the geometry and distortion parameter like bond angle of the this kind of molecules. So according to Walsh, the position of the minimum energy of a field molecule orbitals in a graph indicates the most stable geometry of the molecules. Such graphs are known as the Walsh diagrams. Now you can see the Walsh diagram for the AH2 type of the molecules. Okay, in this kind of diagram, the angle between 90 degree to 80 degree, and this is the allowed transition from one AOs to another AOs to build a molecular orbitals. The next is the Walsh diagram for AH2 type of the molecule. In this kind of molecule, you can see the symmetries for the orbital present on the AH2 bond angle and AHH bond angle. Okay, so for this kind of arrangement, you can see the gap between the orbital energies between the A1 and B1 symmetries. Okay, the next is the here in this above diagram that there is a three triatomic molecules in like example BH2, BH2 and H2. The number of H atom present is 2 for the each uh, molecule. Let us put the HA and HB for each molecule. Thus, the outer shell of these atoms are 1SHA and 1SHB. In case of B or O, the outermost shell are 2S, 2P. Okay, here 2S has a 1 orbital and 2P has a 3 orbital, Px, Py and Pz. Now, so the total 6 number of the outermost orbital are present here, namely 1SHA, 1SHB, 2S, 2Px, 2Py and 2Pz. Total 6 orbital are present. Now, the 6 atomic orbital combine to form 6 molecular orbital, out of which 2 BMOs bonding molecular orbital is 2 sigma G and 1 sigma U. 2 atomic bonding molecular orbital is 1 pi U, and 2 are non-bonding MOs, 3 which is 3 sigma G and 2 sigma U. Okay, the electrons are filling in the orbital on the account of the lowest energy of the orbital. So the orbital with the lowest energy field first. The atomic orbital repulsion with the wave function related to the Hamilton's operator. Here is the equation for the Hamilton's operator equation. So for BH2 molecule, for the B atom, the atomic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and for the H 1 is 2. So the B atom has a 2 electrons in the outermost shell of the 2 orbital, and 2H has a 2e electron in a outer 1s orbital. So the total electrons are 4 in a outer electron shell. For the linear structure, the electronic configuration is 2 sigma G to 1 sigma U2. Okay, and the angle for HAH is 180 degree. So the diagram is corresponding to minimum energy so that the perfect structure can identify. If the bend rule apply for this kind of compound, the angle of HAH is 90 degree or the 90 to 180 degree. The electronic configuration are 2A1 square, 3A1 square, 2A1 square, 1B2 square. So it is unstable for the this kind of process. molecule. Now for the BH2 molecule, the same is here. It has a 5 electron shell in their outer sphere, and the molecule and the structure is linear structure, and the angle is 180 degree, whereas the configuration is 2g 2 sigma g square 1 sigma mu square and 1 pi u1. The higher energy is maximum, so the unstable is preferred one. Now for the if the bend rule apply for the similar, the angle is 90 or the 90 to 180 degree. The configuration for this kind of compound is 2a1 square 3a1 square 1b1 and 2a1 square. So the stabilization of this kind of compound, and the configuration is of the is this compound is like HAH angle is between 90 to 180 degree, or that is also 131 degree. So for molecule H2O molecule, the electronic configuration of oxygen is 1s2 2s2 2p4, and the outer subshell electron is 8 electron. So the structure angle is 180 degree centigrade, and the configuration is 2 sigma g square 2 sigma mu square and 1 pi mu 4. This structure is corresponding to maximum energy, so the destabilization and it is a not perfect one. Now the bend rule is applied for this kind of molecule, and the bond angle is 90 to 180 degree, and the electronic conjugation for this kind of compound is like that. So if we talk about this kind of compound, the second electronic conjugation is perfect angle, so the 90 to 180 degrees centigrade the angle is differ, or it is very called close to 90 degree, which is 104 degree 28 minutes. So this concept can be applied to other species, including non-hybridized AB2, NBAC molecule, HAB and HAAH molecule, tetraatomic hydride molecule, tetraatomic non-hydride molecules, A2AB molecules. Like these are some example of to identify the Walsh diagram. Thank you very much.